Hello everyone, here I will explain the introductory microeconomic goals and the material I have brought, which is economy principle. My name is Musudial Wijaya, NPM 2541-254, kelas akuntansi 25A, lecture Kemala Puji SAE, MA. Principle of economy. What is economy? What is economy? Definition. Economy is study of how society manages its scarce resource. Economic principles are guidelines or rules of conduct in economic activity to achieve maximum profit with minimum effort. This includes how production, distribution, and consumption are carried out so that available resources are as efficiently. Important how understand decision making, resource allocation, and trade-off. Trade-off every cost involvement or trade-off between two are no alternative. Opportunity cost, which is give off when causing one alternative over another. Allocation efficient, resource allocation in conscious a way as to maximum resource at low cost. Rational actions are considered rational if they take into account both benefit and cost. The basic economic problem resource like time, money, labor, and raw material are scarce, but human resources are unlimited. This scarcity forces us to make costs meaning whenever we cause one thing may give up something else. This called our trade-off. The economy is divided into several main types. Production issue, gauging what goods and services shall be produced to meet the needs of society given limited resource. Distribution issue, how goods and services that have been production can be distributed effectively and efficiently to consumers who need them. Consumption issue, how consumer can access the goods and services they need at affordable prices with waste. Scarcity, a condition where demand for goods or service exceeds the amount of resource or goods available. In addition, basic economy is centered on how human and social managers limit resources in order to meet these unlimited needs and ensure in efficient and fair manner. Principle of economy overview, economy and Carnegie. Number one, how people make decisions. Number two, how people interact. Number three, how the economy works as well. How people make decisions. People face trade-off. Every decision involves giving up the one thing to get another. Example, deciding between study or going out with friends. The cost of something is what you give up to get opportunity cost. The true cost includes what you sacrifice by causing one an option. Example, going to college costs tuition plus the salary you don't earn while studying. Rational people think at the margin. They compare the additional benefit and cost of a little more, a little bit less. Example, costing to study one extra hour only if the benefit outweigh the tardiness. How people interact trade can make everyone better off. Trading people or countries to specialists in what they do best enjoy more good. Example, one country grow coffee, another grow rice, but benefit by trading. Markets are usually a good way to organization economic activity. Market as price to coordinate decision between buyer and seller efficiently without needing general planning. Government can sometimes improve market outcomes. Government set rules to protect property, ensure contract, and fix problems like pollution or monopolies when market fail. How the economy works as whole. A country standard of living depends on its ability to produce goods and service. Higher production, more output per worker lead to higher incomes and better living conditions. Price rise when the government finds too much money. Printing extra money causes inflation, which makes goods and service more expensive. Societies face a short-run trade-off between inflation and employment. In the short term, wages, the ratio and employment may increase inflation and vice versa. This relation is sometimes solved with the belief curve. Real-life example of economic principle trade-offs causing to spend money on a vacation mid-way saving for the future. Opportunity cost spending an hour watching TV instead of working on an assignment has also costly study time. Instant sales discount encourage customer to buy more. Contohnya itu contohnya itu dalam kehidupan sehari-hari, contohnya kita tuh menghemat dan belanja sesuai kebutuhan, seperti membeli barang saat promo, namun tetap memperhatikan kebutuhan utama, contohnya membeli sepatu dalam saat diskon, tetapi hanya jika benar-benar memerlukan sepatu baru. Prinsip ini menggambarkan rasional dan menghindari pemborosan. Terus perbandingan harga dan kualitas. Sebelumnya membeli listrik atau perangkat elektronik, konsumen membandingkan fitur, garansi, dan harga agar mendapatkan nilai terbaik. Hal ini menegaskan konsep biaya peluang dan efisiensi alokasi sumber daya. Dan menyusun prioritas pengeluaran, menetapkan anggaran bulanan dengan daftar kebutuhan pokok lebih dahulu, pangan, perumahan, kesehatan, sebelum kebutuhan sekunder atau keinginan. Praktik ini mencerminkan konsep trade-off dan skala prioritas. Tawar-menawar dan negosiasi, mencoba mendapatkan harga terbaik melalui tawar-menawar untuk barang atau jasa yang dibutuhkan. Asumsinya adalah pasar relatif, rasional, dan informatif cukup tersedia. Efisiensi produk di rumah tangga, mengoptimalkan penggunaan energi dan sumber daya di rumah, misalnya menggunakan lampu hemat energi, mematikan peralatan listrik saat tidak dipakai untuk menekankan biaya produksi opsional rumah tangga. Alokasi sumber daya keluarga, memutuskan investasi kecil seperti membeli bahan makanan dan jumlah besar saat harga murah untuk mengurangi biaya per unit dan menghindari pemborosan. Konsumsi berkelanjutan, memilih barang tahan lama dan multifungsi agar kebutuhan terpenuhi dalam jangka panjang sehingga menekankan biaya substitusi di masa depan. Visual aids suggestion, demand and supply converse, selling price determination, production possible factors, illustration, scale and trades off, graphing, showing inflation and unemployment relationship. Summary: economy study how to make costs under scarcity. The three principles help explain individual decision, introduction in market and overall economic preference. Understand this point please equip us to analyze everyday economy issue and policies. This is all I can explain. If there are any mistake or anything that is unclear, please forget me. Thank you for listening, for attention.